I'm James Goodman. The position I am interviewing for is that of a reliability engineer for Medtronic in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This is hypothetically following my graduation, upon which I will have earned a combined BS-MS degree. The position responsibilities are to evaluate reliability performance of existing market-released neuromodulation products, to develop analytical and empirical models that are predictive of product reliability performance, and conducting in vitro testing to evaluate product reliability. Basic qualifications include a master's degree in mechanical engineering, biomedical engineering, physics or related, to have knowledge or experience in medical device industry either through classroom or theoretical education and/or work experience. Knowledge and experience must include spinal anatomy and mechanics, hands-on mechanical testing of medical devices in stimulated spinal environment, hands-on finite element modeling and analysis, and an ability to correlate test results with analytical modeling results. As aforementioned, I'm James Goodman, and I've recently graduated from Drexel University with bachelor's and master's degrees in biomedical engineering. My career goal has been to work in a neuroengineering capacity. This position as a quality engineer for Medtronic's neuromodulation devices is the kind of position I can see myself doing and enjoying not only now, but years from now. As part of my time as a student, I have also undertaken research toward developing my master's thesis in the use of epidural stimulation for restoring function in spinal cord injury patients. This involves acute and chronic studies of stimulation in a rat model of the human spinal cord injury patient. The results, which have been presented at numerous conferences and published in multiple publications, indicate that epidural stimulation can be used not only to reproduce locomotor-like movements or to relieve pain, but to also produce stereotyped extension and flexion movements in a target limb, allowing for an even greater range of potential motion after spinal cord injury. Much of what Medtronic is trying to do with its neuromodulation department is in the way of developing brain and spinal stimulation therapies to restore autonomic function, reduce spasticity, and limit chronic pain in patients with neurological injury and disease. These are all interesting stimulation products in line with my research interests, with whose development I'd be more than happy to assist. In addition, given my research background, I feel I can provide a background in stimulation technologies and other potential uses and products to be developed. I see my qualifications in neuroengineering as ideal for this position. I fulfill all the basic requirements as detailed in the job description. I have a master's degree in biomedical engineering. I have extensive coursework in the development of medical devices, including junior and senior design sequences, as well as basic theoretical background in the design of control systems, biomechanics testing, and biosensor development. I've also had classroom experience in running finite element analysis for the modeling of biomechanical systems. My research experience and coursework also placed a heavy emphasis on interpreting empirical data by correlating it with predicted results. In addition to the strictly enumerated requirements in the job description, I also bring my enthusiasm and experience in the field of neural stimulation. I'm not somebody who will simply go through the motions and test what others tell me to test. My passion for these products will make me an employee who goes out of the way to ensure quality with all the tools that my schooling and research experience have given me, and will result in suggestions for improvement and other potential products for development. If hired, I plan to contribute actively toward Medtronic's productivity with regard to the development of new treatments for patients of neurological conditions. Thank you for your time.